Hey everyone, to add a manual lender, the first thing you'll do, go to the top right corner, click on your beautiful face, go to company settings, and here on the left you'll see lenders. After you click on lenders, you can click on this little bottom box over here, add manual. You can see I added NewFi. They're actually now within, so I can delete this one. You click here, put in the lender's name, their NMLS. The next thing it's going to ask you about is compensation. Actually, let's just mess around with this. Let's type in some random lender LLC 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Add lender. So once it's in there, the thing you're going to want to add is the compensation for that lender. Notice this was over here, so make sure we're in the right lender. Compensation, what states you're licensed in, what branches they're applying to, and that's pretty much it. Then once you have the lender in and the compensation set, then you can price with that lender. So I'll go to pricing, and you have your scenario. The biggest thing is you just want to make sure you click on the lender here, and most times the lender's fees aren't going to be in here. They're not integrated quite yet. Here's the list of the integrated lenders with Arive. And so when you price it out, type in, whatever the rate is here. So let's say, let's just say a 9.5 non-QM. Typically, I don't know, a 9.5 non-QM example. I'm in Arizona. This is my zip code. I'm gonna do manual lender for, like, I don't know. We're just getting something out there. If you scroll, okay, right here you only see manual lenders. If you had selected more, you'll see everyone's pricing, but of course you'll see the manual lender. Manual lender is going to be at the very bottom. And this number is adjustable, so you can change it. Change the points, change how it's set up. So just copy what the lender has in there, and once you have that, select it, and there you go. And you can include fees and edit the fees to make sure everything looks right according to how the lender has things broken down. And that's how you do it.